So good morning everyone. I am on Camposol urbanisation again here on the Costa Calida. We have a fabulous Cibeles style villa for you. It has 12 solar panel electric system in this property. Very high end property this, and we are 30 minutes from Costa Murcia International Airport and 20 minutes from some beautiful beaches all around the Costa Calida here. So let me come and take you along with me and we'll walk around this beautiful home. So this is the property. As you can see, it has off-road parking and it has a pedestrian gate. Just down the end of the road there you have your golf club, so it's only a short walk, so you can pull your trolley behind you when you're going to have a quick game of golf. So let's go inside. Now you can see all the tiles have been done really nice, lovely stonework here, beautiful plants, established plants and trees, and a fabulous pool. You just have your shower just there, really nicely done. And of course just over here you have your area where you can sit and have some outside dining. Lovely property, just give you a glimpse around there. And of course you have your carport just there. Just here you have an underbuilt for storage. I'll take you just in there. Now it has just a little light there, and as you can see it's literally just for storage. So we won't waste any more time, let's get into this beautiful home. So going up these steps now. So I've just come up the steps to the terrace, and you have a little bistro table and chairs where you can have a nice glass of wine, and at the side here, that is the kitchen door. You have some awnings. I'll take you upstairs first to the rooftop solarium and I'll see you upstairs, guys. Now these are the solar panels I was trying to tell you about, electric system, and just in here is a terrace. You have got an awning up here, and this is a lovely area. You just want private sunbathing or whatever. Beautiful views of the mountains over there, and there is some more lovely outside dining downstairs which we'll have a look at in a moment. So let's go downstairs. So we're back downstairs now, guys, and I'll just take you inside. As you can see, there is an awning above and some guttering, which is quite unusual for the properties over here because we don't get a lot of rain, but it is there if needed. You have an awning and you've got this lovely Valentine brick and this tinted glass window, so the sun doesn't penetrate in here, so it doesn't get as hot, and it's really beautiful. Look at that. It's just like your living room, isn't it? Now this is a real high-end property, as you can see, and we're only in the D section. You have, of course, another door there. So we're going to go through this door and have a look around the main house. So come with me. You have your insect screens here. We are in the vestibule there. Just show you that really quickly. And your light. So we've just come in to the living room. Now you have aircon and you have central heating in here. Beautiful living room. Got dual aspect windows as well. You got that log burner fire. I just like to come around to different areas and different angles just to show you the property. Beautiful lighting as well, plenty of radiators, and I'll just come down here. Look at that, isn't that stunning? Really beautiful home. So we have the kitchen through the archway and the dining area, but I'm going to take you through this archway first to the bedrooms. So we'll have a look at the master bedroom and the master ensuite. So just in here you have got a double wardrobe with overhead storage. just in here is your shower room. It has spotlights. It's all been upgraded. Clear screen, shower screen. You got your WC and double sinks and mirror. Really beautiful. Very high end. And of course, just here you have your heated towel rail. And that's from the oil central heating. Okay. So just in here is your bedroom. Again, dual aspect windows, ceiling light and fan, and you have aircon over there. Just going to come down here and pan around. You've got a central heating system, your TV, and his and her wardrobes. Now I'm just taking it at another angle. So you have your radiator there, and you have a radiator just there. Also, I've noticed on the windows you have security locks and insect screens, as well as blackout blinds and records. So you'd have them throughout the property. So I'm just going in here now. So just in here is your guest room, and you have a ceiling light and fan, and you have aircon. Again, you have your central heating radiator behind the door, a mirror. And I just pan around, and you have got your double wardrobe with the overhead storage. So let's go out and around. Now, just before I go through this link corridor, I just want to point out all the floors have been upgraded in the property. And just in here, you have lovely different style flooring in the bedrooms. Now we go in here into the next double bedroom. And again, you have aircon, and you got ceiling light and fan. As I pan around, you have your radiator just there, your mirror, and your overhead storage, and your double wardrobe. Now, as you can see, that's the flooring there, and everything is done to match everything else. It's really been nicely decorated. So just here is a shower room, and in the shower room you have a cubicle shower. You've got your WC, you've got a nice vanity unit and sink and a mirror, and just on the other side of the wall there with the pink towel, you can see there is a towel, heated towel rail. So let's go out and around. And here we are into the kitchen diner. You have a beautiful, very large breakfast bar here, and everything's integrated into this beautiful high-end kitchen. You have, of course, your radiators in here, your beautiful spotlights and hanging lighting. I'm just going to come this end because I just want to give you a good feel for this kitchen. So you've got your integrated microwave and ovens. You've got integrated fridge and freezer. You have your sink here as well. Integrated hob. And your cupboards. Don't open the cupboards because I think that's rude if somebody is living in the house. So just don't need to go outside there because that just leads to the terrace, which leads up to the rooftop solarium, which we've seen. So I'm just going to bring you out to the other outside space now that I haven't shown you yet. Okay, so come with me. So looking forward to showing it to you. Now we're back out here now. I'll go down the other side because I'm sure I spotted a bar. So let's have a look called Charlie's. Now there are some steps here, lovely terracotta steps, and you have storage for your logs. You've also got a water point there for looking after your plants. Nice big Lord Star. I've just come down here and you can see you have bar stools there, lovely place to sit, and you have an outside kitchen. Now you could use it as a bar as well. You have your plancha, your fridge, your hood extractor, you've got a sink and drainer. You've got everything you need here. You've got your air fryer, and you could use this as a bar as well. So really lovely. Great use of outside space. Now just here is a piece de resistance. You have a lovely, lovely outside area for outside dining. So you could imagine sitting out here enjoying afternoon lunch or an evening with friends. Bit of music on, the champagne going, or the cava. Really lovely. Or you could just sit up there at the bar and have a drink. So guys, what a wonderful home this is. It's totally upgraded, really high end. You've got fabulous pool, shower and outside space to the front, and you've got a lovely outside space, and it's very private here in the back as well, where you've got your outside kitchen and this beautiful area to sit and dine with family or friends. If you're interested in this property, I will leave the reference number of this villa in the title of the video. I will leave all the agent's details in the description box below. So do share, like and subscribe, because somebody out there will love this property. And don't forget, buy me a coffee please, it helps support my channel. So until the next time, take care and have an amazing day guys. Now I'm just walking down the side of the property here, and you have a little bistro table and chairs. You have your pool cover and an archway back to the front of the property. We do have an underbuilt here, but it's literally just for storage.